abantu abapodcastayo even nomhlaba wonke that with podcasting it's possible to coexist yabo silaba soyithi it's an event lomle simncanyayo so we here to support and engage with the youth elapha yabo so nizabona ke anazi basayenza kanjani ncanca but nami ufuna uva yena ba uthini.
Hey yo guys, it's your boy POSITIVE. You know what's up, you know the drill. Siloko siphethe umshunqo, siloko siphethe umswengo. Ubumnandi sinifaka ezindweni. Siyanithanda sizi podcast zalapha eMthatha because asiniyekeli phansi. Namhlanje ke sabe siniphathele ezinye izinto ezikuqophelo liphezulu, fashion, wena ntoni, dibala ntoni, talokhala mkhulu wami. Ndiyavuya ukubona otherwise khabana yami. Ndiyavuya ukubona ra.
Ngabelele man, ngabelele. Yes, but kuba busy. I think it's a good thing kuba busy. Yabo when ubona njani mhlambi like
it's a very good thing when aphuthi wami because yabona xa busy you get distracted nakwezinto zibulala youth ngoku yabo esibasiyazi nobana sifuna uphuma ke kwezinto wrong. Guys, nami ngicela unazise into yobana nime nabana apha namhlanje ningaboni nje ndimile ndime nomkhulu wami ibrother yami imentor yami iguardian yami ndingazibala zibeninzi because sisuka kude nale khonmani nime nayo apha le bhula thina ke niyayazi apha ekhaya into yobana abantu asibazisi bazazisa ngokunokwabo cela nje baxelele uba wena ungubani wathi wenza ntoni.
It's your boy Local Connect ZA. Bakelona ngilunga kwamathikani. Ufukula umkhwanazi. I go by the name Local Connect. Jemba Senchilo. You rapper. First and foremost, I'm a hip hop artist. I'm a podcaster. Yabo ndiyakuthanda kakhulu podcaster. Introduce you so much. Yabo.
Hayi ke.
Yeah man, like that's
kutsho yena kumkhulu wami manike ndinikeze nawe so that sibasikele laba bakho abantu kule yethu plate.
Yeah man, you know German and it must coexist. I wanted to ask you a question yabo uba looking at but first mandani comment. Thank you for starting a podcast. Thank you. I've been asking people to start podcasts. Podcasts you can do it. It's like a channel.
Yeah.
You can do it. Kanje, small events. You can do it with a room in. You can do it with a toilet. I know a podcast ends around the topic. So it's like it's a lifestyle thing.
Yeah.
So I want to commend you for doing this thing, and I want everyone, please engage on both podcasts. It's not competition. It's not beef. We are coexisting.
Exactly.
To widen the space to make people aware that and I don't have a question in particular for him, but I wanted him on this to show you that I love him, I love you, my sister, your neighbor. Thank you for starting this. Keep on doing it. Don't be shy. If you wanna ask.
Akho ngxaki. Niyayazi ke thina into yobana sisoloko imibuzo ipakisheni singabuza kude kuyoba sekuseni. Sizambuza uRhonmani wethu because sifuna uniphathela something. Kumele siniphathele something. Lo bhuti lona njembe thetha ngolhlobo. He's the one owandikhuthazayo uba ndiqale lento. This podcast was founded 2023. He was the guy behind the camera and mentorisha ntwana yam go here till waqala lena i-podcast. And I was very happy for you nami mkhulu ubungayazi lonto. Yaqomba you uthi local yaxoxa funeka ndibe pha njengoba saba khona ke. Nami ndivuya kakhulu uba mkhulu wami ube lapha futhi ndiyakubulela. Umbuzo wami na Rhonmani yami because uyi-artist versatile kakhulu. Uchile into yobana you are a rapper, uyabona uyazenza i-podcaster, influencer, uyabo izinto ezininzi uyazenza. Cela nje okay ucelele omnye umuntu uhleli pha endlini uyacinga ukuyiqala lento okanye seyiqalile but uyava into yobana kukhona izinto ezimholda back. Yintoni wena ekwenza into yobana umuve okanye umuntu angafocusa kuyo into yobana amuve akhule as an creative?
Damn, bro. Okay. You and bra ala start. Noba unotilili camera, start. You know what I mean? Nothing is important as uqala. Yabo. Once uqale, you will understand the challenges of when we are faced and then do shota ngazi. Yabo. Don't just think about something. Actually take action. Yabo. And then when you're taking action, take time to do your research. Yabo. Take time to do your research and don't beat around the bush because yabo. So take time to do your research, be right, be confident in who you are. No we are puta. People will support into genuine than into fake. Yabo. So yeah man, like everyone please start. Nobody channel, nobody start.
Niyazivela from umkhuluwa singobani thina sibancinci kangaka uphikisa amazwi amotivational olhlobo naqhuquzayo into obana senze. The word of the day ithi start. Yenza qala ngoku. Guys, you'll never go wrong. That's from us to you. This is Mthatha Mtshana podcast. Go there on all social media platforms. Nibasearch, nibasupport. Guys, without you we are nothing. Singabala Mthatha.
It's Access Khipani podcast. Yeah.
Access Khipani Mthatha Mtshana.
You know what I mean?
You get what I mean?
If you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you like and balekile to coexist. I'm gonna tag you, yabo. Nifumane kanjani for abantu abanganaziyo, like make sure that yabaxelela uba nifumane kanjani as a podcast.
Oh, okay. Guys, that is Yafumanega on all social media platforms. On Facebook, it's Access Khipani Podcast. On TikTok, Access Khipani. Usina inewe channel ka WhatsApp, Access Khipani. Uyasifumana na kula number mhlambi it is 065 600 5250 065 600 5250. Usifumane le channel. Ufumana izinto eziku qophelele phezulu. YouTube of course ukhona naye Access Khipani podcast. Guys, siyafumaneka ku event zenu sithathe sibeke kwizinga eliphezulu sikhuphukise nje njengoba sifocus kulondo. That's it mkhulwa.
Hi guys, it's your girl Kanyisile M4Wanted, and we're back again with another banger, another episode, and we're here at this lovely event with lovely people. It's 3 centimeter mini skate party hosted by X Entertainment, guys. And tonight I have this lovely lady here, Unestelle Sake, guys. And born I'm not ordinary Sam. And Sake, guys, it's different style Sake, and she'll tell us her name, Manusugabi, and yeah, please take it away, your name and Manusugabi.
Okay, my name is Melisha. I'm from Mpumalanga in the spring. I'm Swat again.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, Kuluba.
Alright.
Yeah. So, yeah, in Barcelona.
Alright, guys. Lava, guys, it's no Swat, guys. A few days ago, we had different people from different provinces. Now I'm trying to spend Swat, guys. Beautiful babe, would you please tell us, Sugubana, how did you come about this style? Who inspired you, or who inspires you, or what inspires you dress the way you dress tonight?
Okay, the way I'm going tonight, I can't really say what inspired me because I don't know. I just wanted something to go with my new shoes. So I was like, okay, it's kind of like burglary. So I wanted something little hambisana nalo maroon, and then a little bit of white, and then
nice color combination, nice color. Guys, in all, Utimanise colors like it, because you want to match her new shoes. You know, clock it. Like guys, she's so pretty, guys. Last but not least, please tell us to go and where can we find you on the social media platform for someone that wants to, follow you because, maybe they like your energy, the way you dress, all that.
Okay, yeah, now me content time is more of like content yana, fashion yana, so yeah, on Instagram I'm call me Melisha, also on TikTok, and then on Facebook I'm Melisha Arshabalala.
Oh, okay, guys, that is got it from from her, guys. You can find her on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Guys, please do follow her. She has a very nice wardrobe. No, you're born, guys. But from me to you, mwah, love you.